one of the main presentations of patients coming to you is, I'm coughing a lot at night. Question is, could it be asthma? And very often it is the first indicator that the patient may be having asthma, because asthma symptoms, at least in the initial period, they start off between 12 and 3 a.m. and they end up coughing, they get up from their sleep, they start wheezing at that time. So that's quite a typical presentation of an asthma. The only other thing that you may have to think of is, somebody is coughing so frequently at night, you'll have to think of any GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux, which could also mimic asthma in some of these people.